Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of purchases without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the steamy showdown between two heavyweights in the cleaning arena, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Bissell Steam Mop. First, let's talk about price. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced around $149, which some reviewers find a bit steep, but they appreciate its effectiveness and versatility across different flooring. On the other hand, the Bissell Steam Mop comes in at a more wallet-friendly $102. Reviewers love that it offers a great value for its price, making it an affordable option for many households. So, in the price department, Bissell wins this round. Next, let's dive into cleaning power. Both the Shark and Bissell heat up in just 30 seconds. Reviewers of the Shark Mop highlight its 3-level steam setting and effectiveness in removing dirt, while others note that it can tackle grease on kitchen cabinets. However, the Bissell Steam Mop shines with its ability to sanitize floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs without harsh chemicals, which many users appreciate, especially in homes with pets or children. Therefore, Bissell takes this round as well. Now let's talk ease of use. Reviewers find the Shark Mop easy to use, but some have mentioned issues with steam production. In contrast, the Bissell Steam Mop features a 12-inch cleaning path and an onboard spot boost brush, making it perfect for quick cleanups. Users also love its detachable scrub brush and measuring cup for easy refills. So when it comes to ease of use, Bissell wins again. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop for its cleaning capabilities and versatility, despite some concerns about pricing and steam issues. The Bissell Steam Mop garners praise for its affordability, ease of use, and effective sanitization features, making it a top choice for families and pet owners. So there you have it, folks. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is a solid option if you're feeling fancy and want to sprinkle a little steam magic in your life. But if you want to save some cash and eliminate germs like a pro, the Bissell Steam Mop is your best bud. Remember, at the end of the day, it's all about making smart buying decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.